and Maestro Speaks podcast.
Now we go to the use of indigenous clothing and related paraphernalia.
Okay.
Indigenous clothing or garments should not be referred to as costume,
Tama.
since the cultural context of this material is not for show.
Yes.
Yes.
Should not be costume.
Para sa ating mga nanonood ngayon, talagang attire yung tawag doon, hindi
It's
costume.
not costume.
Oo.
Because costume is the one you wear for Halloween.
Oo. Oo.
Or when you do cosplay. Usong-uso sa,
Oo,
sa Session Road every Sunday.
yan,
Cosplay.
costume.
Yeah. Those are costumes. But
Yung traditional attires,
traditional
talagang attire.
Tama.
Hindi naman costume yun. Ito para sa ating mga kasamang teachers. For teachers and other DepEd personnel who do not belong to the indigenous community, the permission of the community should be sought before wearing their indigenous clothing and related paraphernalia.
I see. So, halimbawa, may kasama akong teacher na Ilocano.
Oo.
Apan mo pa'y damagan kani Apo
Apan mo pa'y
panglakayon.
Oo.
Mabalinay mon baga kun
On.
yung pagtuloy siguro
Oo.
niya.
Kasi sought permission kuna naman dito eh.
You have to
Dati last ditoy nga requirement na
Okay.
on the use of indigenous clothing. Indigenous clothing and related paraphernalia should not be imitated, used for commercial purposes. Itong itong pagbebenta ng mga bahag.
Oh yeah.
Meron naman yung mga gumagawa ng nagwe-wave ng mga cultural attires natin.
Yes.
Then we can buy them. Oo.
Meron pa akong sa tanong. Ginagawang display yung bahag. What is that? Is that parang ada nga yung makita gawin nga ni. Ako yung inarami damat imbis nga bahag nga ikat ginawang sa
Parang decoration.
Yes.
Ay, hindi pwede yun.
Hindi pwede yun.
Oo.
Yes, tama.
Unless pagka cultural museum yun, and then i-display mo yung bahag, okay lang yun.
Pero yung ginawang decoration,
Ginawang decoration, ay,
yun ang bawal.
pwede.